guns, nigga turn rivals into rosaries, extended clip. I give a fuck who you supposed to be. Straight off the block, I sold dope to buy groceries. Now it's rap money, no advances, all royalties. If you broke, nigga, you can follow me.
You never cut a tree before, huh? Dude, hurry up, man. But be careful, be safe. Don't rush it. This tree's dead as fuck though, right? It's these damn hurricanes. Look at that one, dude. That one almost went through the fucking house. No, cut the whole thing down, not that little piece. Hell yeah. We had no electricity for months because of that tree. I'm gonna hit it with the shirt. All right, Good Sport surprised me with this RV. Smash nets in Walmart, so you know we gotta promote. What better way to promote than an RV? Damn, this bitch is clean. I'm a little congested again. I can't stop getting sick.